If you're going to be buying cash for your home, I need you to disregard this video. It's not for you. It's not for you. You can just go and pass. You're like, bye. If you're buying cash. But if you know you're going to be needing a loan, you're going to be borrowing money from the mortgage companies, you're going to be needing a loan from the bank, mortgage company, or whoever you want to use to finance your investment property or your residential property, I want you to know that credit history is very, very, very important. And if you are not working on your credit right now, if you plan to buy an investment property or to own a residential property, I want you to start working on your credit, because credit history is very important. Every point that you need to take you to reduce your mortgage payment is very, very important. It's very crucial. So I need you to take that very seriously, okay? If you're planning to buy a house in the nearest future, I need you to take your credit score very, very, very important. And another thing I want you to note is that your Credit Karma reports, I'm not calling them out, but I'm just letting you know that your Credit Karma report, even though it sounds so good, you can easily access it, and it gives you all this great score. I want you to know that when the mortgage company, when it comes to them borrowing you money and loaning you money for your mortgage, for your residential purchase, or for your commercial purchase, or for your investment property purchase, I want you to know that it's a different pool, okay? It's a different pool. Most times, the credit reports that the mortgage companies are going to pull, or even the bank are going to pull, is different from what Credit Karma is going to be saying, because Credit Karma is not detailed, but mortgage companies, they are going to be detailed in searching if you are eligible for them to borrow you that money, if it makes sense. They're going to check, they're going to pull, they're going to check, they're going to go deeper to check that you are eligible for them to loan you money, because at the end of the day, they don't want to have a client that they're going to give money, they're going to trust with their money to borrow you to be able to get your home, and then a few months down the line, you don't have the ability to pay because you're in so much debt, if it makes sense. Okay, so I need you to really work on your credit, and if you find this video useful, hit me a follow. My name once again is Jennifer Toyinbo, and I will see you guys in my next video.